While I'm re-clearing this hood, I just wanted to wish everybody a fun and safe Labor Day. Let the show begin.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
Welcome to the channel. This is Rebuilder Guy, and this is my SRT-4 Rebuild Part 5. If you want to see the other 4 episodes, link is going to be in the top right-hand corner. Today, I got the cylinder head back from the machine shop, and she looks really good. We got 6 intake valves replaced. Let's look on the inside of the journals. They all look good. Also got the cams polished. Got a whole bunch of parts from DCR, a timing belt, a 5-layer head gasket, intake and exhaust gaskets. Got a new timing belt tensioner, all the good stuff. So let's start by putting this head on this beautiful block. All right, we got the head on, but we did a big no-no. The only saving grace is that we didn't torque the head bolts down. And yeah, DCR sent us this paint here, and I was wondering what we needed it for. I called them and they said that I need to paint the head gasket before I put it on. So hopefully it's still good. We're gonna pull it off, look for any indentations, and cross our fingers because it's not cheap. All right, got the head gasket off. It looks good, no impressions. So we're gonna use it and get this head on. Gotta clean these threads. I've never seen a head gasket get painted, so let's do this. All right, so we torqued down the cylinder head. Looks good. Time to install these Brian Crower Stage 2 cams. Get some assembly lube and get it done. Here are all the cam caps. And the one thing I was a little bit worried is here the L2 cap has an R on it as well, which is kind of strange. But I think we'll be all right. Let's get this on. All right, guys. Got the cams on. Look good. And we hit 10,000 subscribers. So I went out and got a 4K camera. So I'm going to switch off to this one and see if the footage gets any better. Let me know. Okay, now with the new camera. Hopefully the picture quality is better for you guys. Thank you so much for the subscribers, guys. It's made possible because of y'all. Mid-shoot, awesome. I love it when that happens. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna work on the timing belt, put everything together, time it up real nice. But first we're going to get the oil pan on. So let's do it. All right, with the timing belt complete, and since I'm in a painting type of mood, I got a buddy that came over, and he's gonna help me with this hood. So let's make this nice and pretty. And here's the finished product. The guy that reshot this, his name is Martin. His Instagram is gonna be on the bottom. Go give him a follow, I'd appreciate it. He also did a golf cart for me a few years back. Here's a picture of it. Everybody here from the RV video, there will be a follow-up in the next few weeks, I believe. And the Type R is coming up really soon, so stick around for that. Everybody that's not subscribed, think about doing so, because we got plenty more of this where it came from. I'll see y'all next week.